In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize combo charts in Looker Studio reports. A combo chart blends bars and lines on the same visualization, which makes it great for comparing totals against trends. Today we're focusing purely on the look and feel. No data changes, so your chart communicates clearly and matches your report style. Start by clicking directly on your combo chart. When it's selected, the Properties pane appears on the right side of the screen. If you don't see it, open the pane from the right sidebar so it's visible while you work. A quick tip: make sure the exact chart you want is highlighted. If you see the page level options instead, click the chart again to bring up its specific properties. With the chart selected, switch to the Style tab in the Properties pane. This is where all the visual controls live, separate from your data options. Inside Style, you'll find controls for series colors, line appearance, bar settings, labels, legend, axes, grid lines, and background. Everything here affects how your chart looks, not what it shows. Let's talk color first. Assign clear, contrasting colors to your bar series and your line series so viewers can tell them apart instantly. If your report uses a theme, stay consistent with it. When in doubt, pick a strong color for the line so it stands out over the bars. Keep accessibility in mind by using combinations that are readable for most viewers, and avoid using too many hues. Next, adjust sizes and weights. Increase the line weight slightly if it's getting lost behind the bars, and use markers if you want to highlight each point without overwhelming the view. For bars, tweak width and spacing to improve readability. Tighter bars emphasize totals. More spacing can reduce clutter. Aim for balance so nothing feels heavy or cramped. Consider line styles. A solid line is the most readable. If you use dashed or dotted lines to differentiate a series, keep them consistent. If smoothing is available and you choose to use it, remember it's a visual choice. Keep it subtle so it doesn't misrepresent variability. Polish with finishing touches in the Style tab. Adjust axis formatting and grid lines for just enough guidance without noise. Position the legend where it doesn't overlap the chart. If you turn on data labels, keep them legible and minimal so they add clarity without crowding the view. As you make changes, you'll see them instantly. If the Properties pane disappears, simply reselect the chart. At this point, it's up to you. Experiment within the Style tab until your combo chart looks exactly right for your story. That's all.